Now first law of motion can be stated from the mathematical expression of second law. You already know the mathematical equation or expression for second law is finally F is equal to ma. We derived, isn't it? F is equal to ma. So that we can write it as m into v minus u by t. Isn't it? Then that also we can write mv minus mu by t. Isn't it? mv minus mu by t. Okay, so here f is equal to mv minus mu by t. So we can take t to this side. That means division become multiplication. So f into t. ft is equal to mv minus mu. So we can write ft is equal to m into v minus u. Okay, so in this equation, if f is equal to 0, then it becomes m into v minus u is equal to 0. Isn't it? If f is 0 means external unbalanced force f is 0. Isn't it? We derived as a constant force f is applied during a time interval t. Isn't it? That is an external unbalanced force. So here if f is equal to 0, then the equation becomes 0 is equal to m into v minus u. Isn't it? Here m cannot be 0. So in this case possibility is v minus u is equal to 0. That is v is equal to u when f is equal to 0. That shows if there is no external unbalanced force applied, or there is no external unbalanced force, then initial velocity u will be equal to final velocity v. That means velocity is always constant. So if it is in uniform motion, then that velocity will retains or remains constant for during the motion. Isn't it? So if the object is at rest means u is 0. So v is also 0. So the object remains in the same state of rest. Okay. So here from the second law, the first law can be stated from the equation, mathematical equation or expression of second law. That is, we know f is equal to ma. So that we can write it as m into v minus u by t. So f is equal to mv minus mu by t. Then t can be taken to this side. So division become multiplication. So ft is equal to mv minus mu. Therefore, ft is equal to common term m, we can take it outside, m into v minus u. If f is 0, that means external unbalanced force is 0. Then 0 equals m into v minus u. M cannot be 0. So mass is constant. It cannot be cannot be 0. So v minus u is equal to 0. So v equals, therefore we can write v equals u when f is equal to 0. That means if there is no external unbalanced force, then initial velocity is equivalent to final velocity. That means if the object is moving with a velocity u, it remains constant. So that object is in uniform motion. Okay, whenever we are taking when we are measuring the velocity, it will be always same. So u is equivalent to v. And then if the object is at rest, then u will be 0. So final velocity v also be 0. That means object is always remains in the same state of rest. Okay, is it clear? This also once asked in the board exam, I mean annual exam.